Hi guys, so today I'm going to show you how to come up with great ideas for videos on YouTube. So the first thing we want to do is go to viewalot.com. Once we're there, we want to make sure that we signed in to the website. Then we can go to the videos page, the top videos page. On the top videos page, we can see all sorts of metrics about the different videos, and we can see how many views they get, how many likes, and the estimated revenue of the videos. Um, then for this example, we're going to pick a category, say for example pets and animals, and we can see all the top videos in that category. A good way to do this is to pick out a single channel which you want to use um, their videos as references for your own video ideas. So here I've picked out the Daily Dose of Internet's channel. Then what we're going to want to do is add a few videos to a collection. So I'm going to create a new collection here called Animals, and I'll add a few good videos that I pick out with lots of views and a high estimated revenue. Um, Add those to the collection. Then we're going to want to go to Creator Tools, to the section here called Creator Studio. Now from our collection we can add these videos as references, then we can generate video ideas from those references. So the first idea it gives me is a compilation of hilarious animal reactions to silly human costumes, funny moments of pets trying to catch treats or toys with a focus on creative and hilarious. Um, Highlight real adorable animal rescues and reunions with heartwarming moments, aiming to bring joy and smiles to viewers. I'm going to pick this as the video idea. We can also regenerate these the video ideas or edit them slightly. Next we're going to want to set the tone of the video. So I'm going to go with engaging. Then we choose if we want to make a short or long video. I'll set it to long, and for the video length I'm going to go with 5 minutes. Then we click generate plan. What this does is it gives us a timeline with a plan of how to lay out the content for the video. We can regenerate this plan or edit the timestamps and the details of the timeline. Once we are done with that, we go to generate metadata. This will give us ideas for the titles, a video description, and keywords to fill in on YouTube. So I'm going to pick the first title idea it's given here. You won't believe these adorable animal rescues. Then I'm going to go to the next step, which is generate thumbnails. Over here I can add a reference image um, from my collection, or I can upload my own image to use as a reference. But over here these references don't match the exact title of the video, so I'm going to say generate a collage of cute animals being rescued. Add a bold catching text overlay suitable to the video title. Then I can pick different thumbnail styles, but because I customize my query to make a collage, I'm going to leave this style blank. Then I click generate. There we go. We've got a thumbnail which we can use for our video. We can now download or email this to ourselves. So I'm going to download it to show you how it's packaged. Now, once we download it, we have our thumbnail image in the folder, ready to upload to YouTube. And we also have a txt file which contains the video plan which we've made, the title which we've selected, as well as the other titles which were suggested, and then a description which is ready to go into YouTube, and keywords generated for me. Thank you guys for watching. If you have any questions, please comment down below, and like and subscribe for more tutorials on how to use this platform.